You're not driving away yet, are you? You're not driving away yet, are you?
See you around.
XT5.
Nice.
Nothing super fancy.
Beautiful.
Oh, that's a classic.
Oh,
Love it.
Let's not say
It's not a
classic.
classic, but I mean, I like the look.
It's got a classic look. That's for sure.
I always want to get those cameras, but I'm like so scared to get it.
I know, because you know you've got the real deal, you know. But that's kind of why this holds a spot in the. You don't want to take the whole rig out. You just want to shoot for fun.
Like this thing is heavy.
You can put a little baby pancake lens on this, and you won't even know it.